Hi everyone, welcome back to my place. Today I'll be tying this head wrap with ashoke material. This is original ashoke. When we say ashoke, this one is ashoke, okay? And it is in 5 layers if I'm not wrong. Just take it straight like this and you pleat, no folding. Just split like this, then you need to secure it with your rubber band. How are we all doing? Hope you're fine. So if you don't really know how to knot together, you don't even know how to tie it at all, this one, just get your material, do it now. You're going to get it, okay? I promise you, it's simple. Just know, just put it at the back of your mind that it's simple and you're going to get it. That's just it. So it's amazing, beautiful, right? And it's very simple. So after doing that, you just take it like this, then you secure it. The hexes you have at the front with your band, elastic band. Am I clear? So after that, you pull it out, then you go again to make it more firm. You need to make it firm, okay? So after making it firm, you just fold the excess at the front like this. Fold it like this. Because something, you're going to be doing something with it now. You're going to be doing something with it that will bring out the beauty. So just fold it like this so that the beauty will come out. So watch very well so that you can try it by yourself and you get it once. If not once, by the time you are trying the second time, you'll be able to achieve it on your own. Okay, so this is what is happening now. Just take it round. This is where the magic is. Take it round. Okay, you take it back to the front. Okay, yeah, see what we are doing now. So after you get here at the center, we have the band there already. Put the band up and insert the excess. You can see insert the excess, simple, and pull it out. Insert the excess and pull it out. Okay, you see, here we are almost there. Just wait a bit. You see, pull it out like that. Then you raise it up, pleat it down as if you are folding something. Yeah, just split it down, just go down, take it, split it down like that. Don't hesitate, just split it down. Yeah, arrange it well, let it get aligned. Don't rush, take your time, okay? Arrange it very well, let it get aligned very well, okay? See the way I'm doing my hand, focus your eyes, you need to concentrate, no distraction. So you secure it. You take one side, see where I put it, right? Then you secure it with your pin. Your office pin is needed, your rubber band is needed for this style. So you just put your pin, secure it. I've secured that place. Then I'm going to arrange it. I didn't want to make it too tight. Release your hand. Release your hand so that this the pleat will come out big. If you tighten it up too much, the pleat might not come out very well as you want it, but release your hand, adjust it so that it will be very high. Oh my gosh, okay, hey, so that's it. So you see the way I've done it, and the excess I have here, I will be pleating down as well. I'll be pleating down as well. So see, just focus your eyes and watch. Yeah, we're almost done. You can see how simple it is, right? Just place it down like that, and what you need is office pin. You pin it down, pin the excess down. Use many pin as you can, but make sure you didn't injure yourself with it, right? So you can see we are having that beautiful head wrap, that beautiful gilly, right? So you just keep it up, keep on adjusting. You see it yourself when it's coming out and you feel like, wow, I'm getting there. So if you have watched this link and you have seen my face for the first time, or you are just branching on my page or my channel for the first time, don't forget to click on the subscribe button first, subscribe to this channel for more tutorials of gilly like this. And don't forget to share, don't forget to like, so that other people can also benefit from this. Okay, so we are done actually, and I'm trying to align and adjust. So this rubber band is showing, and I feel I should use this because I have it anyways to cover the rubber band up. If you don't have it, you should find a way to use the material to cover it up. Guys, I love you. Thank you for stopping by. See your girl. I'm done. So I'll see you in my next video. God bless you.